All right, let's take a look at our bone collections. You can see that over in our data tab, I've already gone ahead and created some. We have collection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now over in this tab, you can actually create more collections just by hitting the plus and it'll create a new one. But you'll see collection names need to be unique. They can't have the same name, otherwise a .001 will be appended to it. You can delete them with this little button here. There's also some operators in this little pop down. I'll show you those in a moment. And you can reorder the active collection with these buttons here. We do have a couple of icons over here. The eyeball is for hiding that collection, and the star will solo that collection and temporarily hide everything else. Although at the moment, all of these bones are in the one collection. I'll deal with that in just a moment. And this little dot here shows you what collection or collections that the bone is in, or their selected bone. And if I select them all, you'll see that they're all in this collection. We can change that. I'll show you the long way first. So let's say we want to add bone to collection 2. So we're going to select that and then say assign. And you'll see now it's in both. And if we want to remove it from collection 1, we'll make that the active collection and then say remove. And now when we select these bones, you'll see it's telling me what collection that it is in. These other two buttons down here, we can hit this select button and it's going to select all of the bones that are in that active collection. Or we can deselect. So let's select all our bones here. If we want to deselect this collection 2, then we just hit that one and all of the other bones still remain selected. All right, so let me show you the fast way of moving bones to a different collection. I'm going to select this one here and then hit the M key for move. And then we get our pop-up menu here. We can create a new collection if we like and then give it a name. That's the same as hitting the plus button over there. I won't do that right now, but I will move this to collection 3. And you'll notice it has removed it from collection 1 and popped it over in collection 3. Let's do the same here. Move that one to collection 4 and move this one to collection 5. Now each one is in their own collection. What if we want to add them to more than one collection? Well, we just hit Shift and then M. And then you'll notice that our menu is slightly different. We have this plus and a minus. So we can add it to this collection here. And you'll notice that it's in both. If we hit Shift M again, we can subtract it from that collection as well. So let's say, okay, I don't want it to be in collection 2 anymore. I'm going to remove it with Shift M. Now let's have a look at the operators in the little pop-down menu I mentioned before. If you have some collections hidden, this show all operator will disable that and turn on the visibility for all the collections again. The next operator is very similar. If you have some collections soloed, it will unsolo or disable all of those stars for you. And if you happen to have any collections that don't have any bones in them, then the remove unused operator will delete them for you. Very handy options in there, so don't forget that they exist. And just a few more notes on the visibility of collections. If a bone is in multiple collections and any one of them is set to be visible, then that bone will be visible. It will only be hidden if all the collections it is in are marked as hidden. But these eyeball toggles are actually operating on the entire collection. You do have the ability to hide the bone in edit mode or pose mode, and this specific hide function here will override the hide function on our collection. That's just something to be aware of in case you're wondering why your bone's visible when you're told it to be hidden, or vice versa. So that's how your bone collections work. It is worth pointing out that in the near future, you will be able to nest bone collections within other bone collections. However, that won't be released for Blender 4.2, but it is something to look out for in the future.